So these are the Mod 4 Part 3 notes, page 2. Let's take another look at that data set. Here it's color-coded, and we're going to take a look at why these are called quartiles. So if you notice, remembering that Q2 actually was part of our data set, Q1 and Q3 were not, that doesn't matter. We're just looking for a way to divide the data set into chunks of data that are the same size. And when I say same size, I mean in terms of the number of data values that are included. Okay, so we've divided this into 4 equal sized parts. I've got 3 here below Q1. When we talk about Q1, that is the 25th percentile because 25% of the data values lie below that number. Okay, so here is my second chunk, another 3 values, and then same and same. Okay, so these are called quartiles. And when I say quartiles, I mean the numbers. Because they divide the data set into 4 equal sized parts. So 4 quarters. Okay. So now we want to talk about different ways to view this data set. We have the interquartile range, the IQR. That is Q3 minus Q1. So the IQR is the range. Again, our range was our spread. Of the middle 50% of the data. Real quick visual representation at the bottom. We want to find that interquartile range. Just a reminder from above, when we split at the median, which is our Q2, we had 6 values below and 6 values above. We took the bottom half of the data and we split that with Q1. So we now have 3 values below, 3 values above. And then when we divide the top half as well, we end up with 3 values in each quarter. So what we are looking for when we talk about the interquartile range is this middle 50% of the data. So everything right in here and how spread out it is. So we're going to go Q3 minus Q1. Our Q3 value was 90.5. Is that right? Yep. Our Q1 value is 62.5. We get an IQR of 28. Now think about it. If we take a look at that whole data set, our min was 0, our max was 120. So the range of our data set is 120, but our IQR is 28. So that middle 50% is not spread out as much as the data set as a whole.